I'm tell myself I wouldn't ball. Ah! But as I said, this is a place where I did. It's the place where I grew up. It's the place where my childhood, yo.
Oh, you mean people that don't know say boy Yaadman Etan is today? Yaadman officially becomes a vlogger. Yo, watch this. Say don't know say vlogs and all them things I got up on my channel as of today. Instead of for today, the vlog I'm gonna do right now, I do a travel vlog. Cause guess what? Today is Yaadman's last day in Georgia. Yaadman is going to move. I'm gonna go Florida. So right now, we done pack up on everything. And Yaadman, boy, look here, I tell the God truth. That drive here, I go. Beat me up. The drive there go beat me up. Because right now the drive is about 8 hours for reach of Florida where I go. Wait there. What do you mean by drive, Yaadman? I thought, Yaadman, how you gonna drive? And all you have your 2-step locomotion, your 10-toe turbo, your twin-foot pistons. Yaadman, how you expect to reach place and the only time you can get to places is when you have bipedal to the metal. Or beg people drive. Yaadman, where you? Who care that? I'm going to see the Jamaican boxing gloves and the Arden tie in there. And I don't know, so hard. God. Yaadman. This I'm a care people them. Is it me? Care tour. Alright, so in the car, yeah, it's not really much really shown because this is like all my personal belongings that I currently have on thing, and the trunk don't really, you know, the trunk full up too, so it's not really much. I can't really show on, but yeah, I don't pack up on everything, and this Florida thing is a go. So people them, yo, big up on the damn self. Watch it, Orlando, Florida. Well, it's not just Orlando still. I'm moving to Orlando. Where you don't know, say from the day to Florida, Fort Lauderdale, Miami, on a safe. Yaadman, out of Georgia. Boom bam. Ah! Oh, you mean you don't subscribe yet? Oh, you mean you don't turn on the notification bell? Oh, you mean you don't like, share and comment? Oh, you mean you don't tell a friend them about Yaadman Etan? Say Yaadman is now a car man. Right now, the drive to go to Florida, 7 hours, 6 minutes. Oh yes. The new chapter for Yaadman. The Yaadman journey, the chronicles continue. Pray for me. Yo, people, wait. What is this? What is this? Look how far south, my God. Why? Look how far down, my God. What is all of this traffic? There is nothing. Like, wait, hold on. Wait. Why? I am barely out of Atlanta. I am barely out of the city of Atlanta. And me not understand what all of this traffic. Yo, it's a Sunday blood morning this. What are people doing south of Atlanta on a Sunday? Then people are not go work. What is this? I don't want to fly. Yo, I don't want to just gas it and go down a Florida, you know? That was the plan. Look at this. Might as well come out to my car and start selling peanut here, man. Yo, peanut. Bag juice, peanut. Let me go by yourself. And them Georgia drivers here, no manners, you know. Them really no manners. Hold on. Oh, blessings. That one there, man. Blessings. Alright. Alright, so we just realized what going a while ago. So the reason why the traffic a while ago, they come in like my subscriber count after 2 weeks of not posting, it never did a move. Because I want car accident, and for some reason the people them just decide say they want to sightsee and see the accident, and just the traffic they just come in like two dog. The traffic they come in like two dog in a heat. Them stuck. We don't understand why when accident upon the road the people them decide to sightsee like it's a tourist attraction. People them drive a man on a blood business a man. Cheese on peace. Anyways, people, when they're on the road, when they're back on the road, why for the back? What forward? Yo, why drive again, people? Why drive again? Yeah, and the road clear. With them. Alright, so right now, I do want rest area. Rest area is when they are driving. It's when they are driving a foreign. Them long distance driving on the highway. Them have something near rest area where you can just go use a bathroom, go get some food, sleep if you need to sleep. Yeah, because if you drive them cross state something them in America, yo, like it's gonna take a whole heap of time and it's long distance traveling, you see me? And me need for peace. So let's soon go back on the road. Yo, I'm going people them, somebody take the piss in because I had to take a piss because the next rest area is not until 50 miles from here. And Florida is 48 miles from here, isn't it? So yeah, I couldn't hold it. But it's a good thing to bring my own food, isn't it? When I travel long distance, it's always a good look to bring, you know, your own little snacks and thing. So right now, 48 miles from the border of Florida, and back on the road we go. My Yaadman pull over forward down here, yo, and right now the heat, we can already feel the Florida heat. So ready for the road, much cooler. And of course, you know, so you can get your merchandise, your Yaadman. Click the link in the bio, right? That's our local motives T/Yaadman, and get your own nice and clean Yaadman merchandise. Alright, we're ready back to the road. 7 miles left on the road. Well, not on the road, actually. 7 miles left till we reach Florida. And then we have the next couple hours to reach where actually I can reach. But yeah, we're soon left out of Georgia. Oh, wait there. Hold on. People them. The sign that say 1 more mile to Florida. Florida! Florida! Hold on, let me speed this up. Boom! Bam! Georgia, it's been real, but welcome to Florida. Florida state line. Boom! Banana Florida! People them! Banana Florida! Banana Florida! Wait there, see there? See there? Florida welcomes you. Thank you for welcoming Yaadman. Yes! Banana Florida, people! Look there! Palm tree out of nowhere! Palm tree out of nowhere! Yo! Me feel tropical, you're hey! Florida not ready for Yaadman. What is this? We come out to Atlanta. Me left Atlanta for left the traffic behind. What is this? Why is there traffic up in Florida? I'm like, yo, I am literally 100 miles away from where I need to be. What is this? What is... Oh, that traffic is stiff like me in the morning. Me say, that traffic is coming like KFC on Friday evening. Yo, we barely move. Ah, we're up on the highway. We barely move. The traffic coming like one girl who get catch a gear man bun. It finally easy itself. Oh my goodness. Back on the road again. Now we can reach the destination as, you know, soon. I said my day in Florida for like a while now, but I'm 2 hours away from where I need to be. People them. Road clear. People them. So, I just did have to make my second and final stop. Is it me? Yo, From I left out this morning, I had a full tank of gas and me never stop for gas. Right now, me not even know which part of me there, Florida. You see me? And me dey burn up massive. How much miles me travel? I traveled about 411 miles on a whole tank of gas. It's time for gas up. Yo, I'm tired. After all day driving on the road, Florida, we're there.